Do you want to speak English fluently, confidently, and impressively? How do you improve your communication skills? Are your communication skills strong enough to hold everyone's attention? Hi, I am Ranjula. Today I am going to share with you 5 simple tips to improve spoken English. Speaking English is not so difficult. You need to know more and more tips to improve speaking skills. Let me speak. Tip number 1. Remove fear, shyness, nervousness and hesitation while speaking English. Generally people know English. They can write, read and understand, but they cannot speak due to nervousness and shyness. Most of the children speak English very well. They do English conversation with their friends, but when you tell them to come to the stage and give a speech or give a presentation in English in front of so many people, at that time they are not able to speak more. They get stuck. Their mind go blank and their hands and legs start shivering. What is the reason? This thing happens due to fear, nervousness, lack of practice and lack of confidence. Basically, people think that if we speak wrong English, then others will laugh at them, others will troll them. Yes, I agree with you. It is partially right. But trust me, if you want to speak English, it doesn't matter for you whether it is right or wrong. It only matters for you to speak English. You don't think about others, what they will think about you. You think how to improve English. You need to focus on the clarity of thoughts. So first of all, remove fear, shyness, nervousness and hesitation while speaking English. Tip number 2. Practice. Practice makes perfect. If you do more and more practice, then you can speak English fluently. The best way of practice is speaking English loudly in front of the mirror. Every day you should speak English loudly in front of the mirror at least for 15 minutes. Speaking loudly will improve pronunciation and physical fluency. You can speak in English with your friends, kids and relatives and family friends. You can read the English newspaper, short passages, short stories loudly. If there is nobody to speak you in English, then you speak to yourself in front of the mirror. But don't leave the practice. Keep continuing. Tip number 3. Grammar. Grammar is very necessary for speaking English clearly, correctly and accurately. If you don't know the grammar, then you cannot communicate with others. People are not able to understand what you are saying. So you must know the basic grammar to speak English clearly, correctly and accurately. Tip number 4. Vocabulary. If you know more and more vocabulary, then you can speak English continuously for a long time. But if you don't know, then you cannot speak English for a long time. After some time you get stuck. You cannot frame or construct sentences. So you must learn more and more vocabulary, new words to speak English fluently. Tip number 5. Hiring an English trainer. It is very important. If you want to speak English, then you must hire an English trainer who will help you, guide you, encourage you, motivate you, correct you and teach you how to speak English fluently without judging you. So if you follow my 5 simple tips, then you can speak English fluently.